The best motorcycle chain cleaners remove grime, reduce wear, improve chain performance, extend drivetrain life, and ensure smoother, safer, and more efficient rides. My today's video is about top 5 best motorcycle chain cleaners that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Lamson Chain Cleaner Kit. Keeping your bike or motorcycle chain in peak condition is simple with this all-in-one chain maintenance kit. It includes a powerful chain cleaner, professional-grade lubricant, cleaning brush, and protective gloves, eliminating the need for separate tools. The fast-penetrating cleaner quickly dissolves stubborn grease, dirt, and road grime from chains, gears, drivetrains, and other precision components without leaving residue or requiring a second rinse. After cleaning, the high-performance lubricant creates a durable protective layer that minimizes friction, reduces wear, improves shifting responsiveness, and delivers smoother power transfer in both dry and wet conditions. Whether you're riding a road bike, mountain bike, e-bike, or off-road motorcycle, this versatile kit adapts to every riding style and terrain. Regular maintenance with this kit helps extend chain life, improve drivetrain efficiency, and reduce costly repairs. Combining convenience, performance, and reliability, it's an excellent investment for any cycling or motorcycle enthusiast and also makes a thoughtful, practical gift for riders of all experience levels. Now our second product is Cleansoil Chain and Sprocket CLP Kit. The Cleansoil all-in-one chain cleaning kit offers a practical and professional solution for maintaining bicycle and motorcycle drivetrains. The kit includes a 4-ounce bottle of CLP, a precision needle oiler, a durable chain brush, and a microfiber towel, giving riders everything needed for efficient chain care in one compact package. Its advanced formula penetrates deeply to remove dirt and old lubricant while drying to a clean, protective finish that resists dust and grime buildup. Unlike many traditional wet lubes, it provides long-lasting lubrication without leaving a sticky residue, keeping chains running quietly and smoothly. Beyond chains, it works effectively on sprockets, derailleurs, pivot points, cables, and other moving components, reducing friction and improving overall performance. Built-in corrosion inhibitors protect metal parts from moisture, salt, and rust, making it ideal for year-round riding in harsh conditions. Backed by Cleansoil's decades of metal care expertise, this reliable maintenance kit helps extend drivetrain life while ensuring smoother, quieter, and more efficient rides. Our third product is WD-40 All Conditions Bike Chain Lube. The WD-40 Bike Chain Care Kit is a dependable solution for keeping your bicycle drivetrain clean, quiet, and performing at its best. This 2-piece kit includes an all-conditions chain lube and a powerful chain cleaner and degreaser, providing everything needed for routine maintenance. The foaming cleaner clings to the chain, cassette, and drivetrain components, penetrating deep to dissolve stubborn grease, dirt, and road grime without harming paint, varnish, or delicate finishes. After cleaning, the no-wax chain lubricant delivers smooth, consistent lubrication while preventing squeaks and minimizing friction. Its advanced formula contains corrosion inhibitors that help protect against rust and extend chain life without leaving heavy buildup inside chain links. Suitable for a wide range of riding conditions, it keeps shifting crisp and pedaling efficient throughout the season. Whether you're a daily commuter, road cyclist, or mountain biker, this easy-to-use maintenance kit offers reliable cleaning, lasting protection, and improved drivetrain performance with every ride. Now number 4, Zissiner 2PCS Bike or Motorcycle Chain Washer. This motorcycle and bicycle chain cleaning brush set is a simple yet highly effective tool for keeping your drivetrain in excellent condition. Constructed from durable PVC plastisol and tough nylon bristles, it is designed to withstand repeated use without bending or wearing out. The innovative 3-sided brush surrounds the chain to clean multiple surfaces at once, while the extended bristles easily reach gears, sprockets, cassettes, and other hard-to-access components. One of its biggest advantages is that it allows thorough cleaning without removing the chain, making routine maintenance faster and more convenient. By effectively removing grease, dirt, and road grime, the brush helps reduce chain wear, improve shifting performance, and extend the lifespan of drivetrain components. Compatible with motorcycles, dirt bikes, mountain bikes, road bikes, hybrid bikes, folding bikes, and other chain-driven vehicles, it offers impressive versatility. For riders seeking an affordable, reusable, and practical maintenance tool, this cleaning brush set delivers excellent value and dependable performance. And our last choice is Royhu 5 PCS/Set Bicycle Chain Cleaning. The Royhu Chain Cleaning Kit is a practical and affordable solution for maintaining bicycles, motorcycles, and other chain-driven equipment. The kit includes a sprocket scraper, sprocket brush, and 3 chain cleaning brushes, providing the essential tools needed for effective drivetrain maintenance. Designed for convenience, it allows users to clean the chain without removing it. Simply rotate the pedals while brushing away grease, mud, and debris. The specialized brush shapes easily reach chains, gears, sprockets, brakes, and other tight spaces, ensuring a more thorough clean than standard brushes. Regular use helps reduce friction, improve shifting performance, and extend the lifespan of drivetrain components by preventing excessive wear. Made from durable plastic, the tools are lightweight, reusable, and easy to handle for routine maintenance. Beyond cycling, the brushes can also be used for general household cleaning tasks. For riders seeking a simple, reliable, and cost-effective chain maintenance kit, the Royhu set delivers excellent everyday performance and lasting value. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.